this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to index a network location via a UNC path. I'm just going to go Start and Index, go to Modify, and you can see currently you can only do local disks. If there's network maps here you can actually do that, but not everyone wants network maps for all the data that they want to index. For this you're going to need a patch from Microsoft. If you go to the following address you should be able to download that. So you're going to need to go to www.microsoft.com/en-us/details.aspx?id=3383. Then you can go ahead, once you're on this page, once it's loaded, you can go ahead and click download. I have posted this up on my own site to save you putting in such a difficult long ID there. It's only a small file, MSI file, about 2.6 meg. So we'll go ahead and download that. As I was saying, I have actually put it up on my own website, so if you go to www.matthorner.co.uk/UNC-index.msi, it's a bit easier to remember, and that'll download straight away. It's still downloading here on my machine. I'm just going to save it to the desktop, but you can run it straight from the Internet Explorer if it's on the local machine you want to do it on. And installation is pretty easy, it's just next, and agreeing to the license agreement if you have to do so. So once it's finished, it's going to ask for a reboot. So to make sure that it indexed straight away, you're going to have to press yes. So reboot the PC, speed that one up a little bit. Okay, now we're back into Windows. So we're going to go to Start, type in Index again. It should bring up the indexing options for us. Just a second. Okay, Index and Options is there. And we're going to need to go to the Advanced tab. Move over to the right. Once we're on the Advanced tab, you'll now see Add UNC Location at the top here. Okay, so I'm just going to browse to my server and just find a test server share for us to test on. So I'm just going to backslash to my server and enter my credentials in. You have to remember you're going to need to have your credentials for the network share you're trying to index as well. So you want to save them probably in your case. I've just made a test location here on the backup site, so I'm going to copy the UNC path top here. UNC path is the one to start with //. You can use an IP address rather than name as well. So paste that in there, and then we're going to just add the UNC path. And it should let us know that it's added it. There we go. Okay, so once we've done that, we can press OK and close that one there. We need to bring back up the indexing options. As you probably know already, Windows doesn't index PCs while it's not idle. So if I just bring it up, as you'll see here, it wouldn't have indexed this yet. No, it hasn't indexed it yet. Okay, so we cross that off and go to indexing options again. We'll probably see it's paused. Okay, indexing options at the top here. Okay, so it's currently paused, as you can see there. So if I just leave my mouse for a second to let the computer idle, it should, in just a second. There we go, it's carried on indexing. It's only got 4 files there to do, so it shouldn't take a second. It's done 3 of them. There we go, index complete. Obviously, if you're doing bigger locations, it can take a little time to build up the index. It's best to just leave your PC on and let it get on with it. Just type in test now, and you can see it's brought up 3 out of 4 of my items there, which have the word test item in the name. And that's how you index a UNC path via Windows. Thanks for watching.